Hi family members, welcome back to my channel and I hope everyone is doing fine. I'm so very fine and yeah, I know this time I didn't make video because of I was busy, but finally today I got just again to make video and bring you all to my videos. And today we are going to visit in Jalukie, guys. So even me also, I'm so excited. Today is my first time to visit there. Most people they know the Jalukie, but most people they don't know, so please watch till the end my video and we will show you what was there in Jalukie and how was the Jalukie. So guys, before starting my video, please forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please like, share, comment. So come, let's get started our video. So guys, now we are moving and we are already on the way, so watch okay video. Let's go guys. Isyo morom pra aji din bi bishi bala se aro pani bi gire nai no hole to itula side to pani gire she kule mati gire. Mon aji sob summer vacation pai karni 1 kilo de bira wala chance paase na hole to school chuti na hodam de to nishin ju lakam thai na 1 kilo de bira wala time na pai to dorne apne hanbi khushi bra morom bra and tap saili de mahana video. Servio Jalukie College se tu auditorium, Jalukie auditorium. Already reached in Jalukie. So how is the place? Today, first time to visit this. I will show you more. Ito bi tahala kampan lang church se sabi apne habi bishi sundar se. This is Jalukie parish. No. So, are you guys happy today? Yeah. Are you happy, Miss Mercy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Yes. What about you, Miss? Yes, this is nice because of raining. Hey guys, so this is Jalukie parish. My first time visiting here. That's fine. The weather also like this. Weather of the crossway. Wow, so nice. Clouds.
And rain.
Yes, clouds and rain. Oh, this tree is so nice. Hey miss, wait me. She's like thirsty. You like first? What's the Cool. Forgive me, Lo. Okay. Fogimelo. Okay, guys, watch continually. I will show you what was there in Jalukie. Okay. Itu pukri ase kushe pukri. Jalukie la pukri. Lotus flower bi ase holi bi. Bishi choto ase na dikhe. See, lotus flower. Very small. You can see. Ini kaya ase. Now we are going to farm and see what is there in the farm. अपने यहाँ की भी जंगल ऐसे. See, everywhere is jungle. Expected. Ito ba bishi bahalas ni ki parbishile, but that's fine. Peaceful. Tiki ase. So cute. So cute. So cute. Hi. Hi. Hey. Hey. Tutu. Tutu. Nyetul mana? This is. Can you explain what is this?
This is called rubber.
Rubber. These are all rubber, you know. These are rubber. Kido. Ayo. We will show you the rubber trees. Kela fisheries pond. Hi. These all are rubber trees. This is Jalukie rubber farm. These all are rubber trees. It was so big farm, and we are first time. No. I am the first time visiting in Jalukie, but she's staying in which year? Which year you are staying in Jalukie?
I was in 2012.
2012. So in 2012, that time we are not know each other also, right?
Yeah.
And that time I was be like a kid. I know we are a kids. Maybe we are studying there in Kohima, and they are started working in 2012.
Yes.
That's great. So guys, today's video was very interesting and very enjoy. Oh my god, so beautiful, so big.
Wow.
This is still half, like half. So guys, come and visit in Jalukie. Maybe first and last. Girl? Hi Ronnie. How are you? Ito fishery pond ase. Machili thakibo na nai? Thakibo na machili? Hey guys, mohani jab Jalukie de visit kurina mohani jab Dimapur wapas jaside.
Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again. This is a recording.